going to give a review about this product called Mazo. This is Bird's Nest Collagen Protein Peptide. Hi! So this is the box. It's so huge. Look. It's big. And this would be their packaging.
This is so beautiful.
There you go. Look how big the packaging. And it's heavy. It has cleansing facial. And they have here essence water and essence milk, essence cream and serum, essence liquid, and the eye cream. This is the eye cream right here. Tanggalin ko siya. Kasi ayun yung makinit. Bawas na siya. Kasi ginamit ko na po siya for like days. Hindi ko alam, siguro 5 days, more than 5 days. Ganun. Tatanggalin ko lang siya sa kanya. Box. Tanggalin kasi super secured. Kasi siya nakalagay, which is ito. Thank you to first. Nakilay ako para mukhang mayos at nag-lifting din ako. So, wala pang ibang gamit. Nagustuhan ko naman siya kasi ito talaga yung skin na gusto ko ma-achieve. Yung parang glassy yung effect. And then, pumuti rin po yung mukha ko. Kasi nakakapagpaputi yung cream nila and also the toner. Pero meron pa rin po mga pimples. Kagaya na ito, meron mga pimples and tiny bumps. Pero hindi ko mawawala naman na yan. Malambot siya sa mukha. Pagising sa umaga, ang lambot ng face nyo. Nakakasipag talaga gumamit ng product na effective. So, I use this every morning and at night. At night, I used all of the product. First, use the cleanser, and then the toner, the milk, serum, cream, and lastly is this eye cream. Every morning, I only use the cleanser, and then the toner, and then I use sunscreen. Any sunscreen you have, you can use that. If you are having an oily and sensitive skin, just like my skin, you can try using this product, Mazo Bird's Nest Collagen Protein Peptide.
Click the yellow basket. I hope this video helped you.